What are we cooking today, Joyce?
We're making another congee. But this congee, I'm going to show you how to do it in a crock pot, that you can have it for breakfast. Like Colvin's been waiting for that. Dry scallop and ginkgo nut. Before it looked like this.
Okay.
After they crack it, it will look like this. And then you blanch it really quickly, and then you peel the skin off. Colvin's like, that's too much work already. If you leave something on, it's not the end of the world. Then you rinse it, ready to go. Fastest way to do this is boil it before you transfer to the crock pot. The water to soak this, then use the water. I think I'm going to save 2 to dry and then put it on top. Put the ginkgo nut in too. Colvin said, I don't care. Boil away, and then I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to transfer it. Now what? This is called planning.
Why can't you just cook it in the pot? Why do you need a crock pot for it?
Then it will cook while you go to sleep. Now I think crock pot is very in.
Yeah, but then doesn't that eat up a lot of electricity?
No, I don't think so. Lost patience. Let's put it down. Turn it on. I'll do like 8-hour low.
And does it turn off by itself?
No. It's not like that. To up the ante, I'm going to fry some scallops. I soak it and then I try to dry it as much as possible. And cook for like 1 minute, like a little bit oil. Almost like shallow fry. I'm trying to get rid of the water instead of, or else it would be like splashing. I'm going to put it in. Don't get too close, make splash. You like scallion, right?
Yeah.
I don't. But it's pretty. Make a nice picture.
It's that crunchy, is it?
Well, yeah, it's a little crunchy. Cut it as thin as possible. Do it faster. Okay, that's ready. And we can plate.
Smells good.
The scallion. Let's plate this. Okay. I didn't get all the skin, but you can still pick it out. Try scallion.
Oh wow.
Hey, it's all about presentation.
So gourmet, Joyce.
Hey, that's what we are doing. You can cook for me. And a little scallion. Picture time. Even Colvin will try this.